Intact Insurance Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Intact Insurance isn't just another insurer. You won't believe how many coverage options they offer. Most people get this wrong by assuming price is the only factor, but the surprising truth is Intact tailors policies to your lifestyle, vehicle, and risk profile, giving you a balance between cost and protection. Pricing depends on factors like age, driving history, vehicle type, and coverage level. For a standard comprehensive auto policy, premiums typically start around $200 annually, while liability-only coverage can be as low as per year. You can add optional coverages like roadside assistance, accident forgiveness, or rental reimbursement, which might add to annually but provide peace of mind when you need it most. You won't believe how flexible payment plans or monthly, quarterly, or annual options allow you to manage your budget without hidden fees. Most people get this wrong by chasing the lowest premium. The real value comes from evaluating the full package. Claims handling, optional extras, and customer service can save thousands in the long run. For example, accident forgiveness can prevent your rates from skyrocketing after your first incident, while rental coverage keeps you moving if your car is in the shop. In conclusion, Intact Insurance pricing is transparent and customizable. By analyzing your coverage needs and optional features, you go from zero to pro in understanding how to maximize value for your money. It's more than just a policy, it's protection designed around you.